Error 5535. When you try to print a report and it's giving you error 5535, you will need to check if there is some quotation marks in one of your case. To search and fix the symbol that causes the error, close the word reports and then go to your C drive. Go to $CT $temp folder. Select the file CTS data.ct$. Right-click, select the option, Open with. Select Notepad. In the Notepad file, click Edit. Select Find Next. In the search bar, type the quotation mark. Click Search. If there is a result, go back in the row and find the case number. Copy the case number and go back in CTS in all cases. Paste the case number. Click Search. Open the case and go to the notes. Remove the quotation symbol. Save the case. If there is more than one case with a quotation mark error, you will need to change all those cases and remove the quotation marks. Go back to CTS and run the report.